Hit it hard like Josh Hamilton. Whoa! Come on, run fast. Are you gonna slide in first base? Safe. That's a good job, son. What's your name, baseball player? You're Kinsler. You're Ian Kinsler? What's your name? Kinsler. Are you gonna fix your gloves? Hey, Kinsler. You Elvis Andrus now? Come on, hit it hard, Elvis. Uh-oh, almost. Are you gonna run fast like Elvis? That's baby girl over there. Remember las patitas. That's why you're not hitting the ball hard, because you're not...
No Ranger. Not that one. Ranger.